Day 6 of my van life build out. Oh, hi kitty kitty, come back. Wait. It's a black cat. Is that good luck or bad luck? I don't know. Well, today I'm still waiting for the wool insulation to come. So I'm going to work on some storage shelves that came from the Amazon gods and some rain guards here. My mom calls them eyebrows. Maybe that's what they're called, but they're to go over the windows. Well, these eyebrow rain guard things were super easy to stick on. It comes with like an adhesive backing, and it's a guard over your window so you can drive down the street and have your window open a crack, and people can't really see that your window is down, but you can block the rain from coming inside when you're driving down the street. It's so awesome. All the van lifers should have these. Just saying. It's the coolest thing. Okay, here's one shelf of the cart that I got. I got 2 of these, and it's so tiny and cute. It can either go in front of the wheel well or in the back. Yes, I'm putting a cart with wheels in a van, but the wheels lock, so I hope it will be okay. We'll see what it's like when it is all put together. It's so cool. So this is gonna be my furniture, and I think I'm going to cover it with some cloth that I got from the fabric store. And they're so neat because they are versatile. They're not just a fixed cabinet screwed to the floor like a lot of van life vans do. And maybe people will think I'm crazy because I have furniture on wheels in my van, but okay, I'm crazy. Let's see how it works. I love the versatility idea. There they are. Ooh, so cool. What's that? It's my van life furniture I set up in 2 hours. Woohoo! Ooh, space, shiny. What's in there? Must be sparkly crystals. Yes, because that's what I'm going to put in there. Day 6 was an awesome build-out day.
Hello everyone, Allison here, and this is my van called Wonderland. If you're a millennial and beyond looking to become a roam owner, maybe retire early and see the wonderlands of the wild, then this is the place for you. Remember to like, subscribe, and save this video to all of your van life and roam life playlists. For more information in less time, adjust your playback settings to watch these videos on 1.5 speed. If you'd like to follow my adventure, or you need a consultant to help you get from a house that doesn't move into a home that does, then visit my website at www.allisonwonderland.info. See you in Wonderland!